Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study Python effectively. To truly master Python, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to hands-on coding practice. This consistent effort builds crucial muscle memory and reinforces your understanding. Immediately apply what you learn by working on small, manageable projects. This practical application solidifies your knowledge and helps you see how concepts work together in real-world scenarios. Active learning is paramount for effective Python study. Instead of just watching tutorials, actively write and experiment with code yourself. Challenge yourself by solving coding problems on various online platforms. Aim for at least 3 new problems each week. When your code doesn't work, embrace debugging as a learning opportunity. Understanding why errors occur significantly enhances your problem-solving skills. Furthermore, try explaining Python concepts to a friend or even to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Project-based learning is a cornerstone of mastering Python. Begin by building simple applications, like a calculator or a to-do list, and then gradually tackle more complex endeavors. Aim to complete at least one significant project every 2 months. This approach allows you to explore various Python libraries and frameworks in a practical setting. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain collaborative experience and learn from others' code. Always take time to review and refactor your own code, striving for cleaner, more efficient solutions. Python is a dynamic and evolving language, so continuous learning is essential. Make it a habit to stay updated with new features, libraries, and best practices. Regularly read official Python documentation and reputable programming blogs. Engage with the vibrant Python community by participating in online forums, attending virtual meetups, or joining local study groups. Sharing knowledge and asking questions can accelerate your learning journey. Remember, the path to mastery is ongoing. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning in Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.